Good time class. In this video we are going to solve exercise number 3.1. Okay, 3.1 exercise question number 1 is find out the range of height of any 10 students of your class. So what you have to do is you have to find range of 10 students. So take any 10 students from your class and find the highest height and the lowest height among the chosen 10. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to subtract the highest value minus lowest value. This will be your range of height. Question number 2 is organize the following marks assessment in a tabular form. Okay, so what you have to do is you just first write how many marks they got. Okay, 1 marks and it is frequency. It is frequency. Okay. So listen class, what is frequency? Frequency means number of times it has been observed in the table. Okay. 1 is how many times? 1 marks is only one time. Oh, what about 2? We got 2 there. How many times? 2 times. Okay. Next is 3. We got 3. Only one time. 3, one time. Next, you have to get a total of 4. 1, 2, and 3. 3 times. Next, 5. 5 times. 6, 4 times. What about 7? 2 times. 7, 2 times. Next 8. Only one time. And 9. 1 time. Okay. So the frequency is always equals to the given number of data. So it will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Done? Next what we have to do is, first of all, which number is the highest? So the highest number is 9. Okay? Answer of first is 9. Second is, which is the lowest number? The lowest marks is 1. Third is, what is the range? So it is h minus l. 9 minus 1 equals to 8. Okay. Next is fourth. Equals to. Fourth is find the mean. So mean equals to x bar equals to x bar. Okay, you must know that mean is denoted as x bar. So what you have to do is you have to write all the numbers and then divide it by what? Divided by how many numbers? 10. So the total will be 1 is how many times? 1 times. 2 is 2 times plus 2. And 3 is only one time. 4 is 3 times. And 5 is, and 6 is, okay, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Next, 7 is 2 times. 8 is 1 time and 9 is 1 time. And we have to divide it by 20. Okay. So when we divide it by 20, the total will be 100 upon 20. Answer will be 5. Okay. The mean of this given data is 5. Next is question number 3. Find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. Mean of first 5 whole numbers. Question number 3. So mean equals to x bar equals to 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, divided by 5. The total will be 10 divided by 5. It will be 2. Okay, so you must know what are whole numbers. Whole numbers always start from 0. And if the question is about find the mean of first 5 natural numbers, then we have to start it from 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Okay. Question number 4 is question number 4. A cricketer scores the following runs in 8 innings. Find the mean. So what you have to do is x bar equals to, you have to add all 4 of them. 56, 58 plus 76 plus 40 plus 35 plus 46 plus 45 plus 0 plus 100. Okay, so listen class, whether he got 0 or 100, you have to count it. Okay, and it must be taken into observation. So how many digits there are? 1, 2, how many numbers there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means there are 8 innings. What you have to do is, the total will be okay, plus 400 divided by 8. It will be 50 runs. Done? The 50 will be our final answer. Next, question number 5 is, question number 5 says, following table shows the point of each player scored in 4 games. Okay, there are total 4 games and each player has scored some points. Find the mean to A's average points. We have to find A's average point. Okay, so first x bar equals to sum of observation about the total number of observation. So sum of observation will be 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10. 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 divided by 4. It will be 50 by 4. It will be 12.5. Done. Second question is to find mean number of points per game for C. Would you divide the total point by 3 or 4? Okay, let us see. Player C has not played in the game number 3rd. Okay, so we will not count it. This player has played that game but he scored 0. That way we have counted it into observation. But C didn't play it in that game, so we have to divide it by 3. Answer is 3. Question number 3rd. B played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? Okay, B played in 4 games, then we have to find the mean by x bar equals to 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 upon 4. It will be 18 by 4 equals to 9 by 2 equals to 4.5. Done? So question number 4 is, who is the best performer? So we have the mean of A, mean of B, but we don't have mean of C. So we have to find it first. Question number 4, mean of C equals to x bar 8 plus 11 plus 13. 8 plus 11 plus 13 upon 3. It will be 32 by 3. So it will be 10.666. Okay, whose average is better? The average of A is better than the 2. So A is the best performer. A is the best performer. Okay, question number 6 is, number 6. Question number 6 is the marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in a science test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 39, 48, 56, 91, 81 and 75. So the marks are given. What you have to do is, first of all, highest and lowest marks, next is range and then mean. Okay, question number 6. First is highest marks. Highest marks is 95. Lowest marks is 39. 39. This is the first question. Second question number is 6th. In second question we have to find range. So range equals to h minus l equals to 95 minus 39. 95 minus 39 equals to, what is 95 minus 39? It's 95 minus 40, 55, it will be 56. Okay, third is we have to find mean. So to find mean we have to get a total of all of them. So it will be 85 plus 76 plus 90 plus 85 plus 39 plus 48 plus 56 plus 95, 81 and 75. 95, 81, 75 and divided by 10 because there are 10 students. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to find the total first. 8 plus 7, 3, 9, 8, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8, 7, 5, 7, 6, 0, 3, 8. It will be 400. Okay, and now what we have to do is we have to divide this by, because it is not 400, it will be, what is 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 24 plus 8, 32, 32 plus 3, 35, 35 plus 9, 44, 44 plus 9, 53, 53 plus 7, 60, 60 plus 8, 68, 68 plus 5, 6, it will be 7, 3, 0. Okay, and then 730 upon 10 will be 73. This is the mean of question number 6, third. Next question is question number 7. Question number 7. So what we have to do is, the enrollment in a school during 6 consecutive years was as follows. So x bar equals to, we have to find mean. What we have to do is we have to get a total of all of the numbers. Number is 1, 5, 5, 5 plus 1670, 1670 plus 1750 plus 2013 plus 2540 plus 2820. Okay, and the total number of periods is 6. So what we have to do is we have to get a total of 8. So it will be 8. Next 4, 3, 2, 1 divided by 6. Done. What we have to do is we have to divide it by 6. So 6 2s are 12. Next 0. 6 5s are 30. And 4 8 48. 6 8s are 48. Okay. So answer is 2058. It is a mean of question number 7. Next, question number 8. So what we have to do is, I am running this to go to question number 8. So in question number 8, what we have to do is we have to find the range of the rainfall. So for range, question number 8, first it is R equals to H minus L. The highest is 20.5 minus lowest is 0.0. So the range will be 20.5. Done? It was easy. Question number second is we have to find the mean of the rainfall for the week. So to find the mean, we have to add the total. X bar equals to 0.0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0.0 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1.0. Okay, this is the total of for how many days? 7 days. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to get a total of this. So what is 0 plus 5? 5 and 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11, 12, 13. It will be 0.3. 0.3. 1 plus 2 plus 5, 7 plus 20, 27, and 2. 29 plus 2, 31 plus 10, 41. It is 41.3 upon 7. Okay, what we have to do, we have to divide it by 7. 7 5s are 35. 6.3, it will point. 7 9s are 63. It is 5.9. Done? Okay, this was question number 8. Next and the last question is question number 9. The height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter as follows. So what is the height of the tallest girl? So H equals to, the tallest girl height is 135, 150, 151. The height of the tallest girl is 151. Done. Next, what is the height of the shortest girl? So then S is equal to, or L equals to 128. 128. Next, we have to find range. Range equals to H minus L. Third, this was first, this was second. So H minus L equals to, what was the highest value? 151 and lowest value 128. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract it. 151 minus 128, it will be 23. 23. Next, what we have to do is what is the mean height of the girls? So we have to find mean. So mean, question number 4, mean x bar equals to, what we have to do is we have to add all of these. So it is 135 plus 150 plus 139 plus 128 plus 151 plus 132, 146, 132 plus 146 plus 149, 143, 149 plus 143 plus 141, and the total is divided by 10. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to find the total. So total will be 5 9, 14, 14 plus 8, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 31, 40, 4. Okay, it will be 4. Next, 1. Next is again 4 and 1 upon 10. Okay, so it will be 141.4. It is the mean. Okay, so how many girls have height more than the mean? How many girls have height more than 141.4? Okay, it is 141 more than 141.4. It is also more than. It is more. This is also 141 and done. So how many students there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer of fifth question is okay. 5 students have more than the height of 141.4 centimeter. Okay class, this is exercise number 3.1 and for next exercise we have to watch the next video. Thank you.